Traveling Tyler style. We're in Hamburg, Germany, and we're going to the Reeperbahn. That's the red light district. Been there a few times over the years. Every time I've been here, I've been ripped off, but that's okay. We're going back. We're going to walk from one end to the other. I'm going to show you what you can expect. Let's go. I know I'm in the right area because my Jägermeister cost over €5. Just down the street, it was only €2. That's a good sign. This is one of the most famous areas in the world, the Reeperbahn in Hamburg, Germany. As I said earlier, I came in 2008 and got ripped off. I just did. It happens. But I learned from it. But we're coming back, and the reason why I'm doing this video is so I can try to give you an idea of what you can expect. If you're coming to the Reeperbahn in Hamburg, Germany, do not go in with a idea that this is going to be in your best interest. This is going to work out financially for you. The girl's going to love you. None of that. It's not going to work out like that. When I got to the Reeperbahn, I'm walking around recording. This guy comes up to me. He said, "You recording?" I was like, "Nah, of course not." He said, "I saw your camera out." He's Albanian or something. He said, "If I see you recording again, I'm going to whip your ass." And I was like, "Okay, fair enough. I'll be careful." So I learned a lesson right from the beginning, even before I got started. So this is not my best video, but just understand I was recording from my pocket. I was trying to be careful. You know, I respect that though. I get it. This is what I got. Travel in Tyler style, Hamburg, Germany, Reeperbahn, Red Light District. Subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. Some of them will be better than this. I mean, I tried my best. Till next time, I'm out.